Introduction to Bank Reconciliation in Money Lover.
Money Lover offers a straightforward way to manage personal finances, especially when tracking spending from multiple bank accounts. Reconciliation matches your imported bank transactions with manual entries, ensuring your expense reports are accurate and complete. Understanding how this process works helps you spot any differences and maintain reliable financial records.
Importing bank transactions.
Begin by importing your bank transactions into Money Lover. Most banks allow you to download transaction data as CSV or Excel files, which can be uploaded directly into the app. Imported entries will appear alongside your manually entered expenses. This step brings all your financial activity together in one place, preparing you for reconciliation.
Reviewing existing manual entries.
Next, look through your existing manual records in Money Lover. Double-check descriptions, dates, and amounts to ensure accuracy. Having precise manual entries is important. This will make it easier to match them with imported transactions and quickly identify any missing or duplicated expenses.
Matching and reconciling transactions.
Now, compare imported transactions with your manual records. Use the app's reconciliation tool or check them one by one, looking for identical amounts and categories. When a match is found, mark it as reconciled. If an entry doesn't match, investigate whether it's missing, duplicated, or incorrectly categorized, then make necessary edits.
Dealing with discrepancies.
Sometimes you may notice discrepancies such as missing transactions, duplicates, or incorrect amounts. To resolve these, update or delete manual entries or add new ones as needed. Being thorough during this process ensures your records are accurate and reduces confusion during future reconciliations.
Finalizing and maintaining accurate records.
After all transactions are reviewed and reconciled, your Money Lover account will reflect your real bank balance and spending history. Regular reconciliation helps you monitor your budget, spot errors early, and make better financial decisions with confidence.